The number one thing I learned from Tom was just do it. My favorite part is the fact that the presentation of the materials literally minimize all the fear because of the contracts, because of the uh, as I was talking to another person, it's more of the synergy between what you do every day in a consumer perspective. So if you want to buy a car, you look it up, you pick up the phone, you start talking about it, and then you go make an offer. It's the same type of thing that's being applied the way it was explained, so you get it. It was amazing. It was amazing. Oh, it will happen.
Yeah.
I am so revved up. Like so many different things entered my mind. In terms of the eliminating the excuses, part of the presentation allowed you to sit down and go, okay, what if this? Well, then here's an answer for you. What if that? Here's an answer for you. So you have all these tools because you have the answer for it, or at least the starting, right? So if the car doesn't start, it's because you don't have the ignition, or if the gas stove doesn't kick over, it's because it's not igniting the fuel. So you give those tools, and it's just amazing. So you just have enough tools and you have enough information to implement, and that's what's important.